So hello everyone, welcome here, and today we will discuss about the new topic in C++ programming. So what will we discuss about? So first, today we will see that how can we use the array in our C++ programs. Okay. So first of all, we are going to see here that how can we use that. So it is our source code. So first of all, we are going to see here what's happened here. So first of all, we are going to include the IO stream header file to this source code. Okay. What is the meaning of we are going to include the all feature of IO stream header file? So here in this source code, we are going to include IO stream header file, because if we want to access any function of IO stream header file, then we can access easily through this header file in our source code, in our source file. Okay, in our source code. Okay, and so after that, what is the meaning of IO stream? So IO means input output, I means input, O means output, and a stream means what? A stream means flow of data. Okay, so here input output and all the function will be implemented, only not implemented. Okay, here only all the function will be declared only. And here we are going to use this keyword using namespace standard. Then here meaning of standard means for a standard input output device. Okay, means we are going to use we are going to give the input through our standard input device, that is keyboard, or a standard output device, that is console screen or monitor. So it is the use of a standard keyword. And using namespace means namespace means a keyword that is reduce the redundancy in our C++ programs. Means if you are going to declare or initialize your same name variables two time or more than two time, at that time what will happen here? Redundancy will be happen, and then it will be managed at. Okay, and after that we are going to write here main function. Okay, and after that we are going to see that in our main function we are going to use enhanced for loop. It is a syntax of enhanced for loop. This is a syntax of enhanced for loop. And what is the meaning of enhanced for loop? So it is very it is a difference uh, from for loops or normal loops. Here you can see for loop. Okay, so for in enhanced loop we are going to use the for loop, and here we are going to only pass the our array, and where we are going to store the value, that is I. Okay, so I will be able to store the values of this array time one by one. Okay, so first of all it will be give the 10. Okay, ARR give the 10, and because it is colon is nothing but it is mainly used to repeating work. Okay, and repeating and assigning to this work of this colon. Okay, and where we are going to assign, and again and again, to I variable, that is integer types variable. and here we are going to assign 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 one by one. Okay, and in for loop we are going to create a block, and here we are going to pass the message, that is the value of I is, and then and any message will be in the double quotes, and it is a co-out function that is implemented here, that is declared here and implemented here. Okay, and insertion, that is an insertion operator that is mainly used to insert this any operation or any message on the console screen. Okay, and endl is mainly used to new line. That's we are going to use C++ language. At that time we are going to use backslash n to the new line, and here we are going to use endl. Okay, to the replace of backslash n, and after that we are going to return here, return 0, because we are going to use here int main function, so we will return 0. Okay, and after that we are going to block, we are going to close the parenthesis of main function. Okay, so what will be happen here, you will see it will be print, the output will be output will be 10, output will be first it will be print that the value of I, the value of I and equals I is, and then it will print 10, and again it will be print 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so it will be print it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, and here we are going to 20, 30 and then 40 and in last 50. Okay, so it is our main output. So we will visit to the our code blocks IDE to run this code. Okay, so first save it, and then Control A and Control C to the copy, and then we are going to open our code blocks IDE, where we are going to run our source code. So it is opening right now, the open source cross platform IDE, and here we are going to choose create a new project C++, and we are going to use a project name array C++. No, enhance for loop, enhance for loop. Okay, then it will be created here. Simply we have just paste here our source code, and first we are going to compile our source code with the help of build, and we are going to run the source code here. So the value of I is 10, the value of I is again and again we print the message and value with the value. okay, different values. So what is the dry run? I hope you are understanding the dry run of these logics. If you are not going to understand, so I am repeating right now. So first of all, we are going to include the IO stream header file to the our source code in our source code, okay. And after that we are going to use uh, here an array that is a integer type array, and here we are not going to pass the size of our array, okay. And after that we are going to initialize by these values, 5 values, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 50. And after that we are going to use enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop is mainly used to assigning the value and continuously, okay. So here we are going to assign the value of arr, that is array, to the I variable, okay. And after that we are going to use cout method to the print the value of I again and again. So first of all, what will be happen here, for loop will be active, and then 10 will be array will be give the 10 value to the to the I variable, and here we are going to print the I. So first time it will be print 10, and after that it will be with this message, okay. And after that and after that we are going to use your indel, then it will be cursor will be in the new line, in the on the new line. And after that what will happen, 20 will be initialized to the I, and again 30 and 40 and 50, 5 time it will be assigned and continuously, and 5 time will be it will be print with the message with the value, okay, both. So here you can see easily, okay. So it is our source code for enhanced for loop. So I hope you are getting on these points. Thanks for watching this video. Let's bye.